welcome to Soulful Flavors. This is first time I'm talking to you guys through this channel. Today I'm starting with new series Quickies, through which I'll introduce you to quick recipes which you can make anytime for your snacks or anything within a few minutes with very less ingredients. Today's recipe is pizza with multigrain base, where base is actually mostly available in our Marathi homes. The Thalipeeth flour. For who don't know, Thalipeeth is a Maharashtrian snack dish made up of mixing variety of flours such as rice, ragi, jwai, wheat, and many pulses, and spices like chili powder, coriander powder, which is already included in it. So we have it in our homes, kept always. I have also added fresh coriander and oil to make the soft dough with water. So let's make it. So we have this dough ready. Then we have these toppings, capsicum, onions, garlic, and mint, and sesame seeds, whatever you have available. Let's make sauce first. To make pizza sauce, we are adding first garlic, olive oil, and tomato sauce. This is not the original recipe of pizza sauce. It's a quick recipe, so we are adding tomato sauce instead of tomato puree. Further, we are adding dried oregano, basil, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of each, and a pinch of pink salt. If you don't have pink salt, you can use normal salt as well. So we have taken a pan which is on the low heat. Let it heat completely. I have taken this plastic sheet and applying oil over it. I am taking this ball of dough and spreading it with my fingertips. If it is too sticky, we can apply some of oil and spread it evenly to make a circle. Let's apply some oil over the pan and we can keep our pizza base on the pan. Apply a little bit water on the top of it, which will help it to cook faster, evenly. And we can shape it properly and cover with the lid. Let it cook for half a minute. Gas is on the low heat still, and we don't want to overcook it or overburn it. Yeah, we are not trying to make a thalipeeth and putting toppings over it and sauce over it to make a pizza, but we are using thalipeeth's flour as our base. The base is almost done and we are not flipping it over because it's not a thalipeeth. Now let's add some sauce over it. Pizza sauce. Let's spread it properly, evenly. I want this sauce to get inside the base, the flavor, and you can even notch it with the spatula. Let's add toppings over it. So here we're adding some toppings: onion, capsicum, and some mint, and of course cheese. Here I'm using sliced cheese. I don't know the type of it, but if you get mozzarella cheese, that will be awesome and it will taste amazing. So after that we can add herbs like dried oregano, basil. You can also add chili flakes and cover with the lid. After half a minute, add some water around the base. This will make the base moist and it will stop it from burning, and also it will make it crispy. Let it cook for 2-3 more minutes. Just the topping should get little bit cooked, not completely, but more like 70 to 80%. Let's uncover the lid and our pizza is ready to serve. You can add more herbs while serving. Bon appetit! Try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comments how was it. If you love this recipe and video, like and subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and visiting Soulful Flavors, and have a good day.